babies. No. Hola, Suttz crew. I'm back with something phenomenal for you. It's the girl Suttzy, and today I'm here with another video. This one, as you can see by the title, is me and Creme one here for the first time. Like, I'm just excited, so I'm just have to make a video with it. Okay, let's just get into the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. So first thing first, I'ma put that glove on, baby. Why am I catch up this style? You know is so me I put on the first glove and it going good. So I put on the other glove and it come like me can't find the glove fingers. So I part the ear into 4 sections. Yeah, we part it in a 4. Maybe I need to speed this video up a little bit more. Give me a second. So it part enough. It's apart, but we need some scrunchie. So she's going to leave, and I'm going to do that. Bang bing, bang bing. Turn around, the thing. The long thing. Shoulder, fling, very thing. Whatever. Either way, so I'm waiting, and she's finally back, and I'm continuing to part the ear. Oh, sorry for the ear not one missing a while ago, but. Here, I finally apart the ear and it's parting, okay? So I'm finally done part it, and guess what me I gotta do ya now? We are gonna start cream it. So pan of cream, look like ice cream, but trust me, it's just cream and it's dangerous, okay? It's chemicals, baby. Alright, so we are cream the first section. You know we have a part up the section there. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't actually see it closer up, but I rub on some pan of back part first, and then I part it, and you know rub in the chemical, rub it in, yeah, rub it in. For the time I see I saw the comb well, so I turn it round. Yes, I'm laugh after me got my first time. Oh, thank you guys for 729 subscribers. I'm so grateful for all y'all. You guys are just everything. Like, alright. Why me I clap my mouth, bruh? No, sir. Alright, so we're almost done with the first section, guys. I'm not do the end them. Me not really do the ends as yet. So you know I'm just a cream the part. No man, watch big body. Then watch belly too. Big body, big belly. No guys, me not like it. It don't look nice. You know, yes. Alright, so it's parting. I'm almost done, so I'm cutting off for a second. So I'm make for the tap it for me and watch the transition. Boop. Alright, so we're done then now. Right guys, so we'll finish all of them, and now we have put some cream on the ends to make sure so the ends them processed too. Alright, oh my gosh, I like it. Alright, so yeah, me I go through the ends, right the song. Yeah, me I go back through me a part and come through, so I can, you know, comb out all of the nuts them, right? And we'll put on cream, which pan cream look like it won't go again. Right, my asked her many times the ear stop bun, and she said no. So you know, so me I do a good job so far. Me never actually snow. Anyways, that was a rhyme. Alright, so yeah, me so finish good comb through, so yeah, just stay tuned. So I don't know why we give it time to process, and now we are gonna wash it out. So what we do first, we'll put the head under the pipe and we'll rinse it out. Oh but I can't make song, you know, I can't make a song, don't it? Alright, so we are rinse it out, guys. I really don't want the water splash me up, but it was splashing. It was giving splashing, okay? So after I wash it, it's watching, okay? Cool. So that's it for that, and it look like a cream wash out now. So we actually decided that we're going to dye the hair. Watch the cream pan the ground, no sir. We decided we're going to dye the hair, so that's what we're doing now. We're using a dye that I don't even know the name, but whatever. And yeah, it's coming on. It's a shampoo dye type of thing. Yeah, so no see it in my hand, so no know which one. Now we wash about the dye after I done process it a little bit. Oh my god, sorry for my earphone users. Yeah, and it kind of look brownish because you know the something was orangish. Either ways, yeah, we finish wash it out. I will finish shampoo it. I will finish everything. Now we have to tie that and clip the ends. And this was the end product. You can tell me say me never do a good job. Like and comment.